Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams. Channels are perfect for organizing discussion and collaborating with your team or community. So, let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and make sure you are logged in. Next, click on the community from the left sidebar. If you don't have a community yet, you can create one by clicking Create Your Own. Once you have selected or created the community, click on Add Channel. Now, enter a name for your channel. You can also add an emoji if you'd like. Then, click Add. Your new channel will now be added to the community. Remember, you can only add up to 5 channels per community. You can now post messages, upload files, and collaborate with your community members in your new channel. And that's it. Now you know how to create a Microsoft Teams channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.